I make over $100,000 per month. I personally run over a dozen different YouTube channels.
There, have that positive cash flow that is making me a lot of money.
At this point, with all of the channels in my portfolio, I make anywhere from $75,000 to $100,000 a month from YouTube automation.
Why they don't show their YouTube automation channels? If you're interested in YouTube automation, chances are you watched owners of faceless channels talking about how much they earn every single month. But while they make great tutorials about how to succeed in the business area, they never reveal their channels. They show their analytics, they give guidance in picking a profitable niche, they explain the different streams of income. Most of them sell courses, consulting services, and one-to-one coaching. Although none of them expose the channels behind the success story they're claiming and monetizing. Don't get me wrong, I'm not doubting their achievement, I just want you to understand why they made such a choice. After all, if they show us their channels, it would be tangible proof that their business is doing well. They would sell more courses and convince more YouTube automation beginners to register for coaching. You may think they do so to stop you from jumping blindly into the niches that made them YouTube millionaires. It seems like a logical conclusion. After all, it would saturate the niche, but it's not the real reason for hiding their channels. It's because it will drive fake traffic, which means that a bunch of people will go to see their videos and end up leaving quickly. And this is the worst thing that could happen to a YouTube channel, an increase in bounce rate. Most of the time, this issue is irreversible. Do you understand now why they're keeping it secret? Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point information about YouTube automation. I bet you too have a question. Write it down in the comments below, we'll be happy to reply. If you like this short video, you would absolutely love the following one.